Hello YouTube, welcome to Gaming Vedas. We are back with another video. This time we are trying out as British and Sioux, and as you might have guessed by now, this time we will have a rush because both Sioux and British are not that much good in Age 5, mainly because Sioux will lack resources in Age 5 and British will lack a good army in Age 5. Though we think that longbow can be a good unit for British, but they actually require wood, and wood is really a scarce resource, especially in maps like Deccan, on which we are playing. Also, if we see French and Japan both cannot rush in Age 2, so we think if we rush them instead, we will have a very good chance against them. And also, this map is Deccan, which has lots of crates in starting in Age 1, so I think we can get enough resources so we can rush them really hard and win this game just in rush. Also, this map Deccan has lot of water buffaloes, and British has kept a livestock boom cart which increases the villager gather rate from livestock by 300%. And if we compare the explorer, Sioux has the fastest explorer, and so it should be Sioux task to capture these water buffaloes as soon as possible. And as we get these water buffaloes, we will herd them, make them fat through our livestock pen, and as soon as they become fully fattened, we will cut them so that we can get enough food boost. And after we get that food boost, that will be a really good thing for Sioux because their unit, especially axe riders, need lot of food, and what we really need is food for axe riders. So let's try to capture all the cows on the map. So we have found enemies builder rickshaw, and instead of killing them with just explorer, we decided to convert one of the rhinos. That's the special ability of war chiefs. They can convert treasure guardians. We should not let that rickshaw go back to its base. That's a very good chance for us to kill them and little bit damage their eco. The Seahawks is trying to mass the X-Riders, and the cost of X-Rider is 160 food and 40 coins. So as you can see, we have kept 18 wheels on food and only 3 wheels on coin, because coin is not that much required. 160 food is very high in terms of food, so we should capture as much as food it is possible for us. That's very important for Seahawks. Meantime, British is preparing lots and lots of musketeers, and later on we are planning to make some grenadiers so that siege will also be easy. What currently the enemies are making is Ashigaru musketeers and French musketeers, and both of them can easily kill Axe Riders, so that is not a good idea to fight them with Axe Rider, but we don't have any other option because British has only musketeers and Musk versus Musk won't lead some good results. So we will try to engage them with musketeer and then suddenly get them with Axe Riders so that they can also contribute in reducing the HP of enemies. The British has also created artillery. Now we will be gathering some grenadiers so that we can seize them down. We have a couple of grenadiers currently with us. Now we are in French base and our top priority is to seize their barracks and town centers because we don't want to let them go to H3 because Kurashers will be really hard to counter us. They can handle axe riders as well, and musketeers are also not that much that they can handle Kurashers if they come in mass. But if we can seize their town center, we can really give a big impact to French, and then we can easily take the other guy, that is Japan, which will be an easy counter after the French is out. Okay, so by this time French has already resigned, and now it is really a good game for us. It's very easy now to counter Japan. I think Japan will also soon resign. He doesn't have much. His Ashigarus were killed. So now let's go to Japan base and let's check what he has. What we saw that Ashigarus were the main units of Japan, so we have also ordered the Morning Star card of Sioux, which converts all their X Riders into Rifle Riders, and Rifle Riders can counter both Musketeers and any kind of cav. So now we are not worried of Naginatas, we are not worried of Ashigaru Musketeers, but really if at this time he has lots and lots of Yomi, it will be difficult for us. The moment Axe Riders converted to Rifle Riders, the Japan has resigned, so we cannot see the Rifle Riders in actions. Let's check the post games. You can check whatever we made, how much we made. And that's all for this game. Do like and share our videos, and do support us by subscribing to our channels. See you guys next time. Thank you.